The 11th staging of Redemption Fest takes place at Emancipation Park on Saturday, August 1. The event, which is the park's way of paying homage to our ancestors for their sacrifice, which has led to our freedom, is a family affair replete with a variety of elements and activities. Manager of Emancipation Park, Clivia Green, gives an overview of the event.
We open the gates at 2 p.m. We'll have a vendor's village, we'll have a kiddies village, we have stilt walkers, and we have a wonderful concert. So vendor's village open at 2 p.m., kiddies village throughout the day, that will go up to 10 p.m. Stilt walkers will be around for about 2 hours, starting at about 3, and then the concert starts at 6 p.m.
The free event provides a cultural fest with new and established entertainers, including Carey Seals, the Tivoli Dance Troupe, the Charlestown Maroons, Dance Expressions, the Lightning Drummers, and the National Chorale of Jamaica. The live stream of the event makes it accessible to Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora.
Whilst we want thousands of persons to be here, for those who can't come, the elderly, persons out of town and so on, the event will be live streamed. You can log on to PBCJ's YouTube channel and see the entire day of activities.